The mountain.
Welcome to Lake Minnewanka.
What's up?
Happy camping!
What are you eating?
Nutella sticks.
Come again. Exploring Johnston Canyon. What a nice day.
Hi, Mamu! Kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa.
Init ang ulo kanina, hindi na video.
Uy, wala pa.
Hindi pa ba?
I'm so cute. Wala. Happy Johnston
Hello,
Canyon.
video, we're not our vlog.
Hold on, sir. You're hiking.
It's good. It's fun.
Basta hiking, ma.
Okay.
Pag-usapan niyo na po ba yung boy-boy niyo?
Basta hiking, mamo.
Not bad.
Willy Wonka! Willy Wonka!
Ito yung linuluto ko ngayon. Adobo.
Let me see. Okay.
At saka ito ngayon, seafoods. Soup.
Pero hindi mo alam yung sasabihin.
Kailang hindi pa nailalagay yung shrimp. This is
Shrimp.
salmon.
Salmon.
At saka fishball.
And what is that?
Squid rings.
Scallops.
Scallops.
Halatang hindi ko yung bumili. Wow, may balot.
Yes. Para to sa pag-iinuman natin mamaya.
Oh, kayo lang yan, ha?
Hindi kayo, no?
Hindi ako magbabalot.
Bakit ate? Hindi ka makain yan?
Hindi ako masyadong kumakain.
Hi everybody!
Do you like our hiking?
Not no.
Why?
This is too hard for me.
Crayfish. Anong kinakain dito?
The body. Yung katawan. You peel it off like a lobster. Sinulit na ang lang! Hindi, wag yung alagain. Pagkain. Soap.
Make a funny face.
Funny face, go funny face. Okay, we're gonna eat spaghetti. We're on the way. What are you eating? Yeah, say thank you, Atita France. Hello, everybody. Say hi.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Hiking.
Hi!
Hi!
Kita ba?
Oh, bisa.
So coordinated.
Yeah. You okay? Are you okay?
Break time.
I'm so proud myself.
Yes.
Hindi ko akalain ma-scroll na yung aking tuhod. Nakakit pa rin.
I'm so proud of you, Mother.
Welcome to Moraine Lake.
Yeah.
We
The
did
view.
it on top of the hill.
So proud of you, Ma.
Nakaya rin ni Lisa umakyat.
Yes.
Sinisiraan mo pa.
Yay! Look at that. Beautiful
Oh.
place. I made it, inshallah. Welcome to Lake Louise.
Zay, look at here!
Say, look, look.
Welcome to Lake Louise.
Snack time. Hi, Kosh. Para kang tambay sa...
My favorite one. Oh my hair. I have new hair.
Jay, saan ka na?
out of coordination.
How about you? So you want vanilla?
Thank you.
Hi! Courtesy of Jeremy Snail.
Around
It's a Rocky Mountain.
What is our menu for today?
Barbecue and hot dog.
What's our supper?
Dapat kasama yung adobo dito.
Wala na yung adobo. Wow, Canadian.
Get ito ate! Dali! Get ito ate! Get ito ate!
Rhea's barbecue.
Ito, mamaya pag nag-inuman tayo.
Happy camping!